I'm going to show you now how to multiply a pair of binomials. So I've got two brackets, and each bracket contains two terms, and I'm going to multiply them together. We call this video FOIL. That's an acronym to remind us that we're going to multiply the first term of each bracket, followed by the outside, followed by the inside, and last, the last. The first term of each bracket is x times x. That gives me x times x, which is x squared. The outside terms are, in this case, x times 3. So that is plus 3x. The inside terms are 2 times x. That's 2x. And finally, the last terms are 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to collect my common terms. My common, terms that are common here. Like terms, we call them. I've got 3 x's plus 2 more x's. So that is 5 of them. That's 5x plus 6. And of course, at the front, I've got that x squared. So when you're multiplying two binomials together, you take the first term from each bracket, multiply them together. In this case, that's x squared. The outside term, so that's x times 3, gave me 3x. The inside term, 2 times x, that gave me 2x. And finally, the last term, 2 times 3, that gave me 6. Then we want to combine our like terms, and the only like terms are 3x and 2x. That gave us 5x. I'll just quickly do one more example. Let's do an example with, say, negatives in here. So I've got x plus 4 times 2x minus 3. Okay, slightly trickier example, but we're going to follow the same acronym. FOIL first, and our first terms are x times 2x. That gives me 2 times x times x. I'll write that out in full. 2 times x times x. That's my first term. Then my outside terms, my outside are the first one here and the last one there. So that is x times negative 3. Now we put the number first. So that is negative 3x. I get that by multiplying this x by that negative 3. Then my inside terms, and my inside terms are 4 and 2x. 4 times 2 is 8, so that's plus 8x. And finally, my last terms. And the last term in each of these brackets is the 4 times the negative 3. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Now, just clean this up, simplify it. X times x is x squared, so 2 times x is 2x squared. Negative 3x plus 8x. 8 minus 3 is 5, so that's plus 5x. And finally, we have a minus 12. FOIL means first, we do the first terms. Outside, we do the outside terms. Inside, we do the inside terms. And last, we do the last terms. Do you have to do them in that order? Of course not. However, having this acronym and following that order will help you make sure that you've got every term multiplied that needs to be.